In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract values from two cells in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and clicking the exact cell where you want the subtraction result to appear. Choosing the destination cell first keeps things organized and ensures the output goes exactly where you expect it. You'll see a blinking cursor in that cell, but for clarity and control, move your attention to the formula bar at the top of the sheet. The formula bar is where you'll type the instruction that tells Sheets what calculation to run. In the formula bar, begin with an equals sign to let Sheets know you're entering a formula. Then reference the first cell, add a minus symbol, and reference the second cell. The order matters here. The first cell will be the value you're subtracting from, and the second cell is the value being subtracted. Take a moment to double-check that you've pointed to the correct pair of cells before continuing. When you're confident the references are right, press Enter. Google Sheets will immediately calculate and display the difference in the cell you selected at the start. If you need to repeat that same kind of subtraction across multiple rows, say you have pairs of values in each row, use the fill handle to save time. Click the cell with your result and look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the selection. That's the fill handle. Drag it down through the rows where you want the subtraction applied. As you drag, Sheets automatically adjusts the row references so each row subtracts the matching pair. Release the mouse when you've covered all the rows you need. It's a good idea to quickly scan a few results to make sure the numbers look reasonable. Before you wrap up, double-check that both cells you're referencing in each subtraction actually contain numbers. If one of them is text, a blank, or a value with extra characters, your formula may return an error or an unexpected result. Make sure those cells are true numeric values, not text disguised as numbers. If you replaced any data or corrected a value, press Enter again in the formula cell to refresh the calculation and confirm everything looks correct. That's it. You've set the destination cell, entered the subtraction in the formula bar, calculated the result, extended it across rows with the fill handle, and verified your data to avoid errors.